Today we're looking at some organisational accessories from Storo Tools. My name's Andrew Berry and welcome to At the Benches YouTube channel. Whether you're just beginning stone setting or you're an experienced stone setter, I bet you've got lots and lots of gravers. There are other sort of organisational stands that you can use to put your gravers in, and they are really great. But just by simply looking at them, what are they? Are they knife edge? Are they onglettes? Are they rounds? Are they flats? Obviously you can colour code the stands and so forth, but what happens when they're not on the stand and they're just lying around on your stone setter's bench? You don't know which particular graver is a flat, round, knife, onglet and so forth. Now this is where these GraverTags come in so handy. They are small little tags that fit around the base of your graver. They come in primary colours and secondary colours. So we got red, orange, yellow, green, blue and indigo, for instance. And we've also got the secondary colours, which are grey, light brown, white, pink, blue and nice vivid pink colour there. And they are available in 3 different sizes depending upon what size gravers you've got. They're available in 1/8 of an inch or 3.2 millimeters, 3/32 of an inch or 2.35 millimeters, or 1.8 millimeter. I'm not quite sure why we've got imperial and then metric, but that's how we are looking at the sizes. Now, these are printed, but in a clever way. As you can see, they look quite interesting as we've got them here. But if you look at them really closely, they are on a base. You can see here we've got Storo Tools GraverTags 1/8 of an inch, which is 3.2 millimeters. The idea is that you flex the base, and by doing that, you can hear, you release the tags, he says, push them off, there we go. And there's a little split down the one side of the tag, and that enables the tag to open up to have a nice friction fit upon the graver. If you've got a graver that is going to be small enough for the tag to fit over, great, and we'll come to fitting that in a second. If you don't and your graver is a lot bigger to fit over, well then yes, you'll have to remove the graver from the holder, and you should then be able to force the tag over the end. On the edge of each holder, there's a slight tapered edge here that allows you to insert that into the groove of the tag just to expand it. So if you have a little bit of a problem trying to fit them on to the graver, that little tag will open it up and it'll allow you to push that nice and tightly onto our graver. As you can see, it won't go down any further, but by using the end of our GraverTag holder, we can put that into the groove, it'll expand it, which will allow the tag to come down nice and securely onto the end of our graver, and it doesn't get in the way. So when that graver happens to be lying about on your bench and you haven't put it back in the holder, one quick look will tell me that that is, in this case, that is going to be a nice onglet graver because it's in red. And all my onglets can be in red, or my knife edge could be in green, or my flat or my rounds can be in another colour and so forth. And you can also put the tags on these so you know perhaps pink is going to be your blend steel, or your blue could be your carbide. So you've got really good identification on your gravers, knowing exactly what they are when they're not in the holder. So I think it's a fantastic addition to your setters bench equipment and layout from Storo Tools. My name is Andrew Berry for At The Bench's YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.